Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to knit a matching cowl for the royal icing hat that you can also find on my YouTube channel. And you can also wear this cowl like a hooded cowl, make it longer and wear it instead of hat. What I want to add that it is really beginner friendly pattern. You only need to know how to knit in rounds, and that's basically it. So now let's measure the cowl. Just for you to understand, you can use any yarn. Today I'm going to use super bulky yarn, but just for you to know, so the length is 33 centimeters and the width is 26 and a half, so 27. It's okay as well. The yarn that I'm using, the knitting needles and number 9, and the yarn wool is thick and quick lion brand yarn. It is super bulky yarn, and for the hat and for the cowl I used less than this big skein, that is 340 grams, so it will be enough if you buy too small or one big skein. So if you're ready and would like to knit this cowl today with me, you are welcome, and let's get started. So using long tail cast on method and 9 mm knitting needle, cast on any number of stitches that is divisible by 3 plus 1 extra stitch that we are going to use to join and knit in round. Uh, for this cowl I cast on 57 stitches. If you're going to make, for example, a child version or baby version, you can cast on 51 or 54, so any number that is divisible by 3. And now slip the first stitch to the right hand needle and slip over the last stitch and drop it off the needle. Pull tail and return the first stitch to the left hand needle. Now place the stitch marker and the first round. Slip the first stitch holding working yarn in back and purl 2 and repeat again. Slip the next stitch holding working yarn in back and purl 2 and again slip, purl 2, slip and purl 2. Slip. So push the left hand needle and pull the right 1 and go on. Purl 2 here and again slip, purl 2. Like this repeat and finish this round, and I will meet you at the beginning. Round number 2, knit 1 and purl 2. I'm going to purl through the back loop, but it's just a normal purl stitch. I am talking about it every single video. Just purl 2. You can purl it through the front loop or purl it as you know. So if your stitch is looking like this, you will purl it through the front loop. And repeat one more time. Knit 1, purl 2. Knit 1, purl 2. And again, push the left hand needle and pull the right hand needle and go on. Knit 1, purl 2. And again, knit 1, purl 2. Knit 1, purl 2. Go on, finish this round. Round number 3. Slip the first stitch, holding working yarn in back, purl 2, and again slip the next stitch, holding working yarn in back, purl 2, slip, purl 2. Go on and finish this round. Round number 4, same as round number 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2. So we are going just repeat these two rounds, the first one and the second one. Knit 1, purl 2. So finish this round till the stitch marker and then repeat the first, where you slip the first stitch and then purl 2, and the second round. Like this, go on knitting until cowl reaches at least 33 centimeters. And here I am. Let's measure. So I want to make hooded cowl. So if you want just a normal simple cowl, you're not going to cover your head, so 30 centimeters will be enough. I've done 33 centimeters, but even this is not enough. I would suggest you knitting at least 36 or 37 centimeters if you want to cover your head and use the hood as a mm, hooded cowl. And now at the end we are going to bind off. Today I'm going to use a Scandinavian bind off method, but really you can use any method you know. But this one I like, and I like the edge. So what you're going to do, insert the needle into the first stitch and pick up the second one and knit through this second stitch and pull the yarn in between those two stitches and drop them off the needle and return the stitch to the left hand needle and repeat again. Insert, pick up the second stitch, then yarn over knit through and pull the yarn in between and drop off and return the stitch to the left hand needle. Again, poke through, then knit through and pull through and return. If you think that I'm doing this too fast, and there is a separate video of Scandinavian bind off method where I'm doing everything slowly. But even here you can find the playback speed button in the left corner down and make video play slower. Return. And here you see already how the edge will look. If you don't like it, use just a normal and simple bind off method. Earlier I was saying already that uh, this bind off method is perfect for the garter stitch projects, but today I'm using it for the cowl and we will see what I will get. Let's do it one more time. Poke, knit through and drop off. Here how it looks. Go on and finish this round. Here I am, and that's how the edge is looking. I like it. So as you see, as I said, it will perfectly fit the garter stitch project. So the last stitch, how we are going to join the first and the last stitch. So in my case, I just pick up the first stitch and knit through it, and also knit through the stitch on the needle. Then pull the yarn and cut it now. I don't have a scissors here, so just the tail that I have, it's a little bit long. And now take the yarn needle, thread the tail, and one more step. Just again find this first stitch and pull the tail through the back loop. And that's it. On the wrong side you can make a knot. You don't need this long tail, as I said, just cut and leave in at least 10 centimeters. Make a knot and now weave in ends. So on the wrong side, go on underneath one half of V stitches like this and pull through. You can also use the hook. It will also work if you don't have a yarn needle or tapestry needle. That's it. And then cut the yarn. And that's how it looks, and I like the edge. I don't know if you like it. Let me know in the comments. So the cowl is ready. If you didn't need the matching hat yet, here's the tail as well, weaving end. If you didn't need the matching hat, so it's time. And I really appreciate to everyone who is watching all my tutorials. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!